F-750 here at Premier Truck Center. Looks like we got 161, 380 on the dash. Show you the interior here. This truck's very clean. Got no tears in the seats. Everything looks great. Show you the outside here. Take care of. A little bit of damage up here on the corner cap, some on this side of the box. Nothing that leaks, it's all just cosmetic stuff. Underbody looks awesome on this truck. We are planning on installing a lift gate, however, if you prefer a ramp, it does already have one. Here's the inside of the box. This side. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at 727-484-8583.